Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're gonna talk about another awesome project. It's called Alan Cat. So it's a really amazing project. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer. I'm not here financial advisor. This is not investment advisor. So make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. First of all, you can check out. I am here on the website homepage. You can check out their Alan Cat. Alan Cat is not just a meme project. We launched a useful Web3 ecosystem. You can do staking, DEX exchange, NFT market, NFT game, multiple chain. You can it's a all-in-one project. So you can check out their Alan Cat finance listing soon. If I scroll down, you can check out their Alan Cat to the space. Alan Cat is a goals to an ecosystem for the cat lover association. The next generation DEX built on the high performance Solana blockchain. At the heart of the Alan Cat finance ecosystem lies a native Alan Cat. eCat token is a calculated component at the fuels at the platform with a fixed total supply of 10 billion eCat token. It's called $eCat. eCat token is a aim to develop sensible value and growth for its holder. You can check out their total supply is 10 billion. It's very huge. You can check out their sale tax is 0 and buy tax is also 0. It's very good thing. You can check out their NFT collection and upcoming. In future you will be see their NFT collections. Our utilizer, you can check out their token, NFT staking, DEX exchange, NFT market and NFT play to earn. In future you can also stake your tokens, DEX exchange, and you can also use your NFT marketplace. Get ready to conquer the crypto universe with Alan Cat token. You can check out their roadmap. Basically this is a phase 1 birth, community build, token creation, token pre-sale on pink sale, KYC, edit, marketing, pump. This is phase 2 growth, token launch, listing already. I'm listing on CoinMarketCap, listing on CoinGecko, eCat, DEX swap, staking launch. This is the phase 3 importantly partnership, eCat NFT launch, eCat NFT gaming development, CEX listing, and many things more. You can check out there and you can also check out the white paper of this project. So I also show you the full white paper. You can check out their partners and backers, and you can check it on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, listing soon, CoinSelt, DEX scanner, pink sale. You can also check on the pink sale. This is DEX scanner and pink sale is also provided. DEX View partnership with CryptoPromo.io, and it's very popular agency. You can check out the Bitmart. And this is the official upcoming new listing, Bitmart listing the $eCat. Bitmart will list $eCat Alan Cat finance soon. So it's very amazing. Keep on eye over social for future announcement, and you can check out their Twitter official announcement. I also show you everything. You can check out their Bitmart listing, eCat team, their founder, marketing, admin, community, developer, designer, everyone is connected. If you want to join their community, you can follow it on Twitter and join it their Telegram group. So first of all, we are talk about the Twitter account. They have 1000 plus 1300 plus followers. Simply you need to click on follow option. After clicking the follow, you will be get all the updates from the project. You can check out their information web is also provided. If I scroll down, you can check out their exciting update. You can check out their pre-sale progress, 625 so raised within a first few hours. If you want to check their pink sale, I also show you on the pink sale listing on Bitmart. After pre-sale, this project listing on Bitmart on in future. After ending the pre-sale, you can check out their swap staking app ready to go live after the pre-sale, and you can check out their CMC and CoinGecko and next video AMA. If I scroll down, you can check out their pink sale official announcement and Capital Master YouTube channel. NFT Master also promoted this project. You can check out their nice review. If you want to latest review about this project, you can also check out their community. Their all the information is also provided. Now I show you their pink sale launch page. If I click on it, simply you can check out it. So let's wait. I am opening. So guys, all the links provided in video description, and you can also check out their all the links on their social media and website homepage. You can check out Alan Cat is not just a meme project. You can check out their pre-sale and then 6 days remaining. total 10 sold, 108k dollar. You can check out their total raised amount. If you want to simply click on connect wallet, you can check out their status, sale live, public, current rate, one sold, you will be get like something token, their current raise. If you can also check out their token. So if I scroll on, you can check out their contract address, do not send sold to the token address. You can check out their address of the do not sell the, and you can also check out their pre-sale, liquidity, staking reward, unlock, and staking reward. You can also check out there, simply click on view option. You can also check out the other influencer videos, and you can check out their page, team partnership with the 20x to 50x project, YT marketing, high budget IG, FB, TikTok ads, our 110 million impression. You can check out there all the information provided here. You can also join the Alan Cat Telegram group. So simply open it, and simply you need to click on join group, and you can check out their community. If I click on the group, you can check out here they have also 1800 plus member in Telegram group. You can check out their listing on Bitmart soon. Buy $ECAT if you want to buy. This is the official contract address. You can also copy it, and if you want to buy, you can also buy it on Launchpool. So you can check out there all the information on the Telegram group, latest to buy, sale, all the updates, feature updates, and everything provided here, and admin honor everyone here. If you have any question, you can also do a comment in his group. You will be responded in some time. So it's a really amazing project. If you want to buy, simply click on connect wallet, then you can use your MetaMask, Phantom, and other wallet. Simply click on connect wallet. Simply you need to click on connect wallet. So simply click on again continue option. After clicking the continue option, you need to just open your account. So my wallet has been successfully connected. Simply you need to enter your amount, how much you want to buy $EK token from the Sol. So enter your amount, how much. I don't have any amount. After clicking the amount, simply add your status, then simply click on buy with Sol. So it's very easy method to buying this project on their Launchpool. And you can check out their Allen Finance Fair launch. It's a pre-sale end in 6 days. This is the white paper, official white paper. You can check out their consult. I also show you the consult. You can check out their consult. Introduction, decentralized finance, DeFi, Solana blockchain, Alan Cat Finance DEX. There you can check out their token name Alan Cat, token symbol $ECAT, and their DMSL 9, $10 billion ECAT. You can check out their pre-sale 4.5 billion, staking reward 3 billion, liquidity 2.2 billion, team and marketing 0.3 billion, soft cap 10, Solana coin ECAT token utility. You can check out their all the information provided here. You can check out their ECAT roadmap. I also already told about it, and you can, this is the end of white paper. So it's a very unique project. You can check out one time, and you will be get huge reward from here. So this is Telegram, Twitter. You can check out all other feature. You can check out their other information. Simply click on buy now. After clicking the buy now, you can check out and you can buy it all easily on their fair launch. Simply you need to connect your wallet, then enter your amount, and it's very easy method. So it's a very unique project. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. You can also check out the project on Coinsult. You can check out their Coinsult information. So the main thing, its project is really amazing. I hope you understand everything. Invest always at your own risk. Do your research first, then you need to invest. And also must join their social links like Twitter and Telegram for the future upcoming updates. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. We will meet in our next video.